Hunt Bonneau here, reporting live. Hunt Bonneau reporting live.
Hunt Bonneau reporting live.
Hunt Bonneau reporting live. Hunt Bonneau reporting live. One of my favorite things to do is to help people who have been bullied by insurance companies.
Today we're investigating a car crash where there's a dispute and liability. The car's sideswiped, and so both sides are saying it's the other's fault and there's no witnesses. What we know for sure is that our client was then run off the road, his leg was crushed, and it was later amputated at the hospital. So today we're here, their experts there, our experts there, the insurance company's there, millions of lawyers are here, and we're gonna find out who caused the crash. Let's go. One of the things you'll notice with big truck crashes is that sometimes the property damage to the big vehicle doesn't look all that bad. That makes it very, very important to get the accident reconstructionist out there and let him look at the little details, because in doing that, you find out exactly what happened. One of the good things about accident reconstruction is the data doesn't lie. We're going to get to pull off all the data from there, including the property damage. We actually download what's called the black box. It's found in airplanes and also in trucks to help us know what was going on with the car right before the crash, and we'll have our conclusion soon.